Introducing Kearney Integral, a new approach to digitalization that successfully embeds customer-centric design thinking, agile methodology, and digital factory models to deliver transformation at scale. We bring the Silicon Valley startup approach to you. Let's take a closer look at the components that make up the Integral framework. Overall, it's broken down into 9 components. The first 6 are all about being digital, while the last 3 are about doing digital. In Digital Health Check, we leverage readily available toolkits to assess an organization's digital maturity across multiple levels. How competitive are a company's digital capabilities against others? Is the operating model digital-oriented enough to maximize these capabilities? Are the IT, data, and people foundations mature enough to sustain a digital competitive advantage in the market? In visioning, we work with the organization to define aspirational yet tangible digital vision. The business North Star is measured with specific success metrics to guide future decisions and priorities. During the domain canvas exercise, we define digital domains. It's a bit of a Goldilocks exercise, where each domain needs to be of the perfect size and constitute a cross-functional team that is driving a digital agenda. The domains identify needs of customers that are relevant to their digital agenda. They outline key trends and discontinuities, articulate what customers will get, define the North Star vision, quantify the value potential, define key metrics for success, create an idea backlog based on prioritized North Stars, and set up the right oversight to sustain momentum. Each domain will have a list of North Star Initiatives, which is a backlog of aspirational digital ideas. We have a catalog of initiatives based on global best-in-class standards, and we help our clients embed these innovations into their organization. Full digital scale-up and sustained value creation often require big shifts in the organization. Digital operating model is where all these big shifts are designed to build a roadmap towards reaching the business North Star. Agile capabilities is a systematic approach to ensuring people can deliver on new ways of working. Uplift related to Agile methodology, digital toolkits, data science, UX and design thinking, and web or app architecture are the most common topics that organizations need to be digital. The 7th component in the Integral framework is where the company starts to do digital. Digital factories are the execution engines that bring together agile and lean startup approaches to quickly build, test, and mobilize MVP sprints, churning out working models every 3 months. A dynamic initiative portfolio is managed to prioritize the releases that digital factories execute. True to agile ways of working, this portfolio is fluid and flexible, allowing the organization to pivot to new efforts as the business environment changes. Lastly, Control Tower is the scaling engine that defines digital governance and oversees change management to reduce friction with legacy processes. Control Tower accelerates digitalization in a complex organization, as it embeds the right ways of working, enablers, and platforms in a forward-looking manner. The Kearney Integral framework has helped deliver digital transformation at scale for the world's largest companies.